Hello, little friends. Are you ready for a toothy adventure? Meet Tommy, a young boy who doesn't like brushing his teeth.
Do I have to brush my teeth again?
But what Tommy doesn't know is that inside his mouth is a magical place called the Tooth Kingdom. In the Tooth Kingdom, each tooth is like a tiny house, and they need Tommy's help to stay clean and healthy. When Tommy doesn't brush, sneaky sugar bugs come to live on the teeth. These sugar bugs can make holes in the teeth, which isn't good for the Tooth Kingdom or Tommy. But guess what? Tommy has a secret weapon against the sugar bugs. It's his trusty toothbrush and toothpaste. When Tommy brushes, it's like he's giving each tooth a tickly bath. The toothpaste is like soap for his teeth, washing away all the sugar bugs. And the best part? Brushing can be fun. Tommy can pretend he's a superhero, saving the Tooth Kingdom twice a day. Remember, friends, brush your teeth in the morning and at night to keep your Tooth Kingdom happy and bright.